Hi. Hey. How's it going? Hi. Hello. Welcome. This is my first YouTube video / makeup tutorial. As I was thinking, what am I even gonna do? Because I'm literally just like playing around with my new working games Charles palette, and I don't know what else I can do. So my mom made me food. Why not like base my makeup off of what I'm eating? So I'm going to be doing a look based off of what I'm eating, which is a burger with bacon and white cheddar cheese. So we'll see how this goes. Okay guys, first things first, I'm going to use the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer and blend it out with just a regular concealer brush. Going straight into my crease, I'm using T from the Morphe James Charles palette and just blending that out as best as I can. Okay, alright. After blending out T, I'm going to go in with Boutique right into my crease again and blend that out as best as I can. Right here, I just remembered that I have to go get my LA Girl Pro Concealer to cut my crease. After getting the crease, I use Flashback to set it. After setting it, I'm going in with Ring Light Shimmer, and I'm going to put that right in the middle, then going in with Iman from the Saharan palette from Juvia's Place, and going back in and blending it with Boutique again. So remember to drink your water, kids. And also I'm going to go ahead and do my other eye off camera real quick. Very last step, you're going to highlight your inner corner with ring light and add your lashes and you're done. Okay guys, so this is the completed look. It's almost 1 o'clock and I don't have time to be doing my entire face. I have to wash it too, so really hope you guys enjoyed this. I tried. This is my first one. Hopefully there will be more soon. My lips are really chapped. So leave my handles and such in the description below. And you guys can follow them if you please. I really appreciate the support because I love makeup and I love to have other people support my makeup. Yeah. I'll be back with another one soon. See you later. Peace out, Girl Scout.